Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So if this is your first time here, welcome to Sandy's Food and Lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the button. You know what to do. Just hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification. Thank you so much for doing so. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my blueberry pancakes. If you're thinking of what to have for breakfast, this is a very wonderful idea and it tastes so good. Okay, lovely. So our pancakes and homemade syrup is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did, please like this video, leave a comment, a nice comment, please. Any question, any tips you want to share, please leave a comment. And do not forget to subscribe and hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.